5. Our universe, stars and planets. Hi children. Stars are the heavenly bodies like the sun that are extremely hot and have light of their own. Every star is a huge mass of hot gases and big flames come out of it. Stars are made up of vast clouds of hydrogen gas, some helium, and dust. A planet is a celestial body that revolves around a central star and does not shine by its own light. The only planetary system that is known to man is our solar system. It is made up of 9 planets. In this lesson, you will learn about the stars and planets.
Unit 5. Our Universe. Stars and planets. Our universe is made up of the stars, the planets, and their satellites. These heavenly bodies are too far away from us to study with our naked eyes. Man has made a special instrument called telescope to study distant objects. People who study heavenly bodies are called astronomers. Stars. You must have seen a large number of stars in the sky at night. The stars are huge balls of hot gases which produce their own heat and light all the time. The stars seem to twinkle because of the presence of atmosphere round the earth. We cannot see the stars during daytime because of bright light of the sun, so the light of the stars is dimmed out. Stars. If we carefully see the sky, we observe that some stars occur in groups. These groups of stars form interesting shapes and are called constellations. Some of the important constellations are Big Dipper, Saptarishi, and Orion. Kalpurus. Dipper. Orion. Our Sun is also a star. It is the nearest star to the Earth. It is 150 million kilometers away. After the Sun, the next nearest star is 42 million kilometers away. Planets. Stars are not only the heavenly bodies seen in the sky at night, there are also a few other bodies which revolve round the sun in circular orbits. They arc light continuously but do not twinkle. These bodies are called planets. The word planet originally meant wanderer. The planet do not give off any heat or light on its own. It reflects the light of the sun. The solar system.
There are 9 planets which move around the sun. Each planet moves round the sun in its path called an orbit. The orbits are a kind of circular paths with the sun as their center.
Each planet remains in its own orbit and do not cross each other. The sun and the 9 planets together form the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Activity. Next time, when you look at the stars, try to look for the planets. Among them, Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun, while Pluto is farthest planet from the Sun. Our Earth is third from the Sun. The planets between Earth and Sun are Mercury and Venus. They can be seen in the morning and evening. Venus is usually called evening star or morning star. Mars looks different from others as it is reddish in color. Jupiter is bright and is the largest of all. Saturn planet has a system of rings around it. Moons. Beside the planets and stars, there are other smaller heavenly bodies called moons. They move around the planets and are also called natural satellites. These do not have their own light but reflect the light of the sun. The light which is reflected by a moon is known as moonlight. Our Earth has only one moon. Saturn has more than 20 moons. Jupiter has 16. Some planets have no moons at all. Artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is a man-made object that circles a planet. Russians in October 1957 launched the first satellite called Sputnik 1, which means traveler. The first Indian artificial satellite was named after the famous mathematician Aryabhatta. These satellites orbit around the Earth and help us by providing better television and telephone signals. They also send us very useful information about the weather. The Earth. Long ago, our Earth was a ball of hot gases which kept rotating round and round for millions of years. As it spun, it slowly became cooler. And as it cooled, it hardened slightly and its surface wrinkled like a dried plum. These wrinkles or ridges formed the hills and mountains. Water from the rain settled in the low-lying places to form oceans, rivers, and lakes. The Earth's outermost hard layer is called crust, while the inside is called core. Today, even after millions of years, the core is under high temperature and pressure. These boiling gases and liquids exert great pressure against the outer crust. The weak spots of the Earth crack open under this pressure, letting the hot boiling liquids and gases gush out. This is how a volcano is formed. The study of volcanoes tells us about the interior of the Earth. Between the outer crust and the inner core, there are layers of rock, minerals, and metals in solid form. This part of the earth is called mantle. Movements of the earth. The earth moves continuously. It has two types of movements. 1. Earth spins around its own axis. This movement is called rotation. The earth completed one rotation in 24 hours. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. 2. Earth also moves around the sun in a fixed orbit. This movement of the earth is called revolution. It completes one revolution in 365 1/4 days. This time period is called a solar year. The revolution causes seasons on the earth. Formation of day and night. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. The side of the earth which faces the sun gets light and will have day. The opposite side will be away from the sun and will have darkness. Therefore, it will have night. As the earth rotates, each part of the earth have day or night. Seasons. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. The earth is divided into two equal halves by an imaginary line. This imaginary line is called the equator. The upper half is called the northern hemisphere and the lower half the southern hemisphere. During Earth's revolution, its axis always remains tilted at an angle. The result of this is that at certain times of the year, the northern hemisphere is bent towards the sun while the southern hemisphere is away from it. At other times, the southern hemisphere is bent towards the sun while the northern hemisphere is away from it. The hemisphere which is inclined towards the sun gets the sun's rays direct and so is warmer than the other. It also has longer hours of daylight, longer days and shorter nights. This hemisphere has summer while the other hemisphere, which is away from the sun, gets slanting rays from the sun and so is cooler. It has shorter days and longer nights. It is winter. Spring season, winter season, autumn season, summer season. The sun rays fall direct on the equator throughout the year and therefore the days and nights are equal of about 12 hours each at the equator. So, there is no summer or winter. When northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, this region has winter and has less sunshine. The days are shorter. It is at this time that the southern hemisphere gets more sunshine. This region has summer. The days are longer. This is how seasons are caused. The two factors which cause seasons are 1. The tilted axis of the earth and 2. The revolution of the earth. Effect of seasons on the lives of people, plants, and animals. Weather affects our mode of living. In India, we have three main seasons: the rainy season, the winter season, and the summer season. 1. It is very hot during the summer season. We like to stay at home most of the time. We wear thin cotton clothes, light in color, because they help to keep the heat outside away from our bodies. We cool our houses with the help of fans, air coolers, and air conditioners. We like to drink plenty of water, cool drinks, and sherbets. 2. During rainy season, it rains a lot in most parts of India. Winds blow and clouds become dark grey. Children like to play in puddles of water during rainy season. Many plants grow in this season. 3. The winter season is the coldest season. In many parts of India, it is very cold. People wear dark colored, thick woolen clothes so as to prevent the body heat from escaping. We keep our homes warm with the help of fires or electric heaters. We drink hot milk, tea, or coffee.
Animals and plants are also affected by seasons. To avoid extreme cold, some animals hibernate, winter sleep. Some birds migrate from colder to warmer regions.
When it becomes very hot, then also animals have to change their way of life. Plant life also responds to the change in seasons. Many plants dry up before summer. Many plants grow well in rainy season. Some plants, herbs, flower during winter. Others, shrubs and trees, flower only during summer. Change of seasons also affects plants and animals. Let's revise the important points. 1. A star is a huge ball of gases giving off its own heat and light. 2. Planets and moons do not produce light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. 3. There are 9 planets in the solar system. 4. Each planet travels in its own path called orbit. 5. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. 6. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. 7. There are more hours of daylight during summer than in winter. 8. The days and nights are equal at the equator. 9. Seasons affect the lives of plants, animals, and humans.